everyone, this is Arlie Mendez, and today I'm going to have some unboxing here. I have two boxes, and since I'm not sure which one I ordered that's in each box, we'll just find out when we open it. So let's start with the smaller box on the table. Let's see what we have. Just try to open it. It's good because I have a Prime membership at Amazon, and it only takes a day to deliver these products that I ordered. Let's open. Oh wow. Okay, the first one we have, actually, this is the curtain that I got for my kitchen window because right now I want to have a better, I have actually a white curtain hanging right now, but I want a new one because it's spring, and of course we have to change our drapes and our curtains. So this is the first one. It's perfect. It's just a smaller size, and I have the other one here. So this is really good. And I have also the Bose speaker. I like Bose products because, the sound is really good. So now we are going to unbox it and see what is inside. So let's just put this down. This is really nice because when I was looking at it at the store, I said to myself that, we're going to do it online instead, get it from Amazon, so that we can still check which one is better. Just had to fix my camera because sometimes when I edit it, I no longer see half of my face, so now I had to adjust it. This is how it's looking right now. It's called Bose SoundLink. So why is this not opening? Oh, there you go. And of course we have the box, and it's really cool because this is small, and it's not gonna take so much stuff in our living room. Later on, I'm going to try this. So this is the Bose SoundLink color black. There you go. And of course, we have here the specification and also the manual and where you can return it if there's something wrong. So there's the support online. I'm going to read this later on as well. So that's the first product we have. There's another one here. See if there's more. Okay, so this is the first one. That's the Bose. And then let's try opening the bigger box. Let's see what is in here. I want to make sure that it's opened properly, just in case that there's something that will or that is breakable. We have to look for the arrow. It's going up like that. This means that we have to open it this way. So let's just see. I ordered several products, so now I'm curious what is inside. Okay. So let's just, I should have used a knife on this, but it's okay. We're almost done. This is for security, so that your products don't break. And this is the one that I saw online, LED Grow Light, that I am very happy about because right now I am into planting, and actually I ordered some products to do for my planting studio. I'm going to set that up, and this is one of the stuff that I'm going to put on my studio. So LED Grow Light. So let's open it. Really excited about this product. Okay. very secure. So this is how it looks like. And when I was reading it online on Amazon, it says that it is, of course, it's a lot better than the other products, is what they say, but we are going to figure that out later on. So let's just set this aside for now. I'll show you once it's set up. There are 4 fluorescent lights in here. And I think there's the stand. They even have a thank you card, and of course the manual. I usually keep the manual for a while just in case that there's something wrong with the product. Then you can either return it or, of course, do it online. Just sometimes, you know, if you don't like the product at all, they will replace the product or you can get the money back. So that's why it's important to at least keep the documents or the manual for a bit. So let's just put this down. And this is the stand for the light. It's really cool. So let's just put that there. Oh, this is nice because you can adjust it. Last time when I was unboxing my light, the one that's in front of me right now, it's the same thing. Like, you know, you can adjust it and then it's right here, depending on how much height you want for your light. And then you can just do like that. And here is where you can tighten and loosen it. And same thing here. So just tighten and loosen. So we'll figure this out later. And so those are this is the part of that. And of course our speakers right here. And we also have the lighting, like this is adjustable. So once we set that up, we are going to show you this. And I have here also, this is like curtain. This is the one that I mentioned that, you know, when I'm setting up the studio, Atlantic Studio, I'm going to just put this tray. There you go. So this is really nice. So it's long and of course 100. It's 100 by 82 inches. So we are going to put this all together. I have 2. So let's put that. Yeah, and I'm still missing one item that I ordered. I think it's gonna come by later on, or come later on, so that I can set up this. And so let's try doing the lights now. Okay, so let's just. There's so many varieties that you can look online for your grow light, but so far this is the one that I want because, you know, I'm just starting to organize my studio, and once I know for sure what other stuff I need, then I'll just gonna do more shopping either online or go to the store to see what is needed. And yeah, there's more plastic. And just removing all the plastic right now. So let's see. And I also wanted to check how dim or how bright it is. So now, so this is cool. So now, depending on which direction you need the light for, you can adjust it, because I know this is 300 or 360 degrees. That's all. Can face whichever. See that? Whichever direction. Okay, let's try turning this on and see what we have. So let's just push this a bit more. Make sure the screw is tight, the bottom, and you can actually adjust it from here. So let's just letting it go up. So now you see that it's going up. and then it's going down. So you have the adjustment here. When you put it on the floor, I think this is like 5 feet or more. I have to double check that, the height, but as you can see, it's really nice because it's slim, and it doesn't take so much space once you put it on the floor. And then there you go. So we're just gonna switch this. Now that it's done, so here's the switch, and you just do like this. Oh wow, look at that. I hope you can see it from there. And okay, let's do it this way. So you see, you can adjust it, and then the lights are working well. There you go. And then let's put this down. So now we'll just adjust it again, because there's the up and down arrow, and of course you can also set this on how many you want, like how many hours. There are, I believe, 12 up to 12 hours. So there's an adjustment here. And yeah, this is it for now, and I'm still waiting for some products that hasn't arrived yet, but once my studio or my plant studio set up, I will also show it to you. And the more excited, or I am more excited too, because of this Bose that we got. We're going to enjoy the music today because it's Sunday here, and we will find out if this is really perfect for our living room. So this is Arlene Mendez, and I hope you enjoyed my channel. If you do, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and hit the notification bell so you will be updated with my next video. And also, don't forget my channel members who've been always kind and very nice to others. God bless us all, and bye for now.